Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Poco X4 GT. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now, with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will need the settings form. So for that, just scroll on here right next to the camera, scroll on right next to the camera, and then you will have here the control center. And the part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings. So just tap on it. And now you need to scroll down a bit to the point additional settings. In front of it, there's a gray icon with 3 white points in it. Tap on the additional settings. And now you will need the second point, languages and input. And here you will need the first point, languages. Okay, and then you will have a list with all the languages, which one are available here for that phone. Let's keep going on maybe in English. Let's take English maybe with the dialect from India. So in some languages you have also some dialects, like in Spanish here, in English. Let's take the dialect from India, as I said. Greetings, by the way. And now I have English here on my phone with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested. And maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.